Hey, dudes and dudettes. Who here loves pizza? Yeah, totally. It's so good. Today, Peppa and her family are throwing the ultimate pizza party, rolling the dough, picking the yummiest toppings, and baking it up to cheesy perfection. It's super fun, super tasty, and totally yum. Let's dive into Peppa's pizza party.
Peppa's Pizza Party. It is lunchtime at Peppa's house. Can we make pizza? Peppa asks.
Please, Mom.
George
Please,
loves
please.
pizza.
I want to make
So do
pizza,
Mummy and Daddy
please.
Pig. Peppa is excited to start, but first, everyone must wash their hands. They use soap and water to get all clean. When they are done washing, they gather ingredients. To make our pizzas, Daddy Pig says,
We need flour,
"Tomato," chimes in Mummy Pig.
cheese,
Continued Daddy Pig.
and toppings.
But wait, there's something missing. George likes pineapple on his pizza, Peppa says.
Pineapple
Daddy Pig repeats,
on pizza? I think that's against the law.
"Hee hee hee hee," Peppa laughs. Daddy Pig is being silly. It is not against the law to put pineapple on pizza. Now it's time to make the pizzas. Mummy Pig puts the flour into a bowl. Then she adds water. This mixture will become pizza dough. Tasty! Mummy Pig sprinkles a little flour on the table so that the dough doesn't stick. Then, with their clean hands, Peppa and George knead the dough. Bam! 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 I am a big and strong, Peppa says, and George is big and strong too. Next, they make the dough into 4 balls. These will become 4 pizza pies. Mummy Pig rolls the dough balls flat with her rolling pin. Ooh, says Peppa. They look like pizzas now. Mummy and Daddy Pig make a sauce with the tomatoes. Then Peppa and George smooth it over the dough. I like making pizza, Peppa says. It's so fun. Now it is time to decorate the pizzas. Can we make happy faces on top? Peppa asks.
Of course we can, replies Daddy Pig. I'll use mushrooms to make eyes and olives for the smile.
And I'll use onions for the eyes and basil for the smile, says Mummy Pig. Peppa uses sweet corn for the smile and little tomatoes for the eyes. George has pineapples for the eyes and cheese for the smile. Mummy Pig puts on her oven mitts. Then she places the pizzas in the oven to bake. When the pizzas are done, Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig eat in the garden. Their pizzas are very good. These are the best pizzas in the world, says Peppa. Peppa loves pizzas. Everyone loves pizzas. The end.
Dude, thanks for cruising with us. New stories drop every Tuesday and Saturday at 6 a.m. So slap that like, smash subscribe, and ding the bell so you can ride the next epic wave with us. Ciao.